Okay, in part 3 of this series from chapter 12, we're going to be looking at a test cross. So what happens if we have a pea plant that has purple flowers? Well, we know its phenotype is purple, but it could have two genotypes, homozygous dominant or heterozygous. So in order to determine the genotype of an unknown, you can do a test cross. And a test cross will use the homozygous recessive genotype, or in this case, the white phenotype for our pea plant flowers. Now, to do this test cross, we will take our unknown, and we know from our unknown, we know it has one dominant allele because the phenotype is purple flowers. It's the second allele that we're not sure of. So by crossing this individual with our homozygous recessive, which has white flowers, we then can look at the ratio of our offspring's phenotypes. If all of the offspring are purple, then we know that this individual had to be homozygous dominant, simply because it could only contribute a dominant allele. And if a dominant allele is present in the offspring, it will cause the dominant phenotype to be visible. If the offspring are 50% white and 50% purple, then we know that this individual was heterozygous. And we can see that from these Punnett squares here.